Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are here at ISA in Orlando, Florida, 2024. Yes, 2024 with our friends at Cutworks. As you guys know, Justin has been featured on the channel and he's gonna give us some information today to help you guys out and to show y'all what they have. So what you got today, Justin?
Hey guys, so Cutworks, we offer DTF finishing solutions for companies of all shapes and sizes. We have recently launched our new Neolt DTF XY Cutter. So where this comes into play for companies on the smaller end of the spectrum who need to process rectangular cuts at a higher volume with DTF, this unit is perfect for that. Italian made with pneumatic cutting blades to process all of your DTF graphics. And to bump up to the next level, if you need a little more width and higher speed, we offer the Flexamira XY Cutter, which is gonna come in a 63-inch width and it's very high speed. Also rectangular cuts at a very high volume.
Okay, so no contour cuts on that
No
one?
contour cuts with the Mira or the Neolt DTF XY.
Okay.
However, if we jump into needing contour cuts at a very high volume in all widths, we're gonna hop into our Apex Pro series, which you can actually see behind us.
Ooh, the big
that has roll-to-roll capabilities with the conveyor system that can process any cut that you need at a high volume, whether it be rectangular, contour, we're talking gain sheets, we're talking one-offs, so on and so forth.
And what type of substrates? It can be, I know we're talking about DTF, but this cutter can do all types of substrates, such as wood.
If we're talking the Apex Pro series, digital flatbed cutter with routing capabilities. So in the Apex Pro, belt-driven, high-speed knife cutting and routing. So if you need to process, your acrylics, your PVCs, your MDFs, your ACMs, roll-to-roll graphics, so on and so forth, this is the machine to do that. Let's go look at the Mira, which is our high-speed XY cutter.
And this would be kind of like the intermediate?
It's going to be for the higher volume shops,
Okay.
but still rectangular cuts.
Oh, okay.
So we're talking about processing full 150-foot rolls of material in 5 minutes.
Wow, 5 minutes. Oh, that's fast. So
and
it's
X and
fast.
Y in different sizes. Italian made cutter comes standard with three cutting blades, again, to process your graphics at a high speed, whether that is wallpaper, whether that is vinyl, whether that is DTF film.
This is nice.
If you want to learn more information, you can visit us at cutworksusa.com or on all socials and reach out to us if you would like a quote or any more information.
All right, thank you so much, Justin.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
A pleasure.